Hello everyone, welcome back to Unboxing with Scott. Today we're checking out these boxing gloves. So this is what they look like. Velcro strap. Let's go ahead and take off our wallet, our watch here. So you just place your hand inside. Like this. Your thumb goes inside here. So as you guys can see, you're protected. So as you're punching, you're always punching over here. Protected right here, here, all through your top fingers, underneath your thumb,